A study makes a frightening find about women who don't have sex often. Women who rarely have sex may not only suffer a bit from pent-up tensions, they could be heading to an early grave, a new study suggests. Welcome to the Relationships Pharmacy, where remedy is a watch away. Watch until the end as we're presenting the latest update and the correlation between depression, gender and sex frequency in men and women. Click the like button now to encourage us and tell YouTube that you recommend our videos to more viewers. Type your comments or questions in the comment section. We'll read them and reply to you in a timely manner. Let's get to it. Scientists found that women between the ages of 20 and 59 who had sex less than once a week had a 70% higher probability of dying from any cause within 5 years compared to women who had sex more than once a week. These individuals had elevated levels of a protein linked to inflammation, which can cause damage to healthy cells, tissues, and organs. The study also included a sample group of men, but researchers told dailymail.com that the relationship was not found in males. Scientists found that women between the ages of 20 and 59 with low sexual frequency had a 70% higher probability of mortality. The team concluded that there are benefits for women to having sex more than once a week. Here the question researchers asked, in the past 12 months, how many times have you had sex? Never. 1 to 11 times, 12 to 51 times, or 52 times or more. Here's what happens to the human body when you don't have sex or masturbate for months. Also included in the database were answers to the question, in the past 12 months, about how many times have you had vaginal or anal sex? The options included never once, 2 to 11 times, 12 to 51 times, 52 to 103 times, 104 to 364 times, and 365 times or more in the past 12 months. The reports showed that about 95% of participants had sex more than 12 times per year, with 38% doing it once a week or more. The team then compared this medical information with another CDC database on deaths up to the end of the year 2015, which they double-checked against US National Death Index death certificate records for those years. Participants who were not matched with death records were considered to be alive through the follow-up period. The team shared in their study, published in the Journal of Psychosexual Health. In one slice of the data, the team found that increased risk of death leapt upward a stunning 197% for individuals who reported low sexual frequency and depression over just depression alone. Individuals with depression but high sexual frequency don't feel harmful effects of depression as much. Lead author Dr. Srikanta Banerjee told dailymail.com. But this finding also skewed along gender lines, he noted. What we found is that, among females only, there is a beneficial effect. There are multiple theories, Dr. Banerjee noted, for this apparent link. For instance, sex releases endorphins that may prevent severe health outcomes. But regardless of race, gender, age, and most other health factors, his team emphasized that relatively regular sex seems to be beneficial for most adults. Sexual activity is important for overall cardiovascular health, possibly due to the reduction of heart rate variability and blood flow increase, the researchers noted. But the new study added an interesting twist for oversexed men. There really is too much of a good thing. With high sexual frequency, the researchers wrote, males were 6 times more likely to experience increased mortality than females. This shows that sexual frequency interacts with gender to increase mortality, the researchers concluded in their study. The implications are that by addressing sexual frequency, other health disparities can be addressed more directly. These information was published by Matthew Phelan, senior science reporter for dailymail.com on July 2024, updated on July 2026. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more great video like this. In case you didn't watch it, we have a great video on 4 pillars of a strong relationships. Click the link on the screen to watch it now.